Hey everybody! I'm here today to talk to you about a Nikon D3300 with a display that is not working properly or not working at all completely. I'll be going over how to fix it easily in a very simplistic but complete tutorial. Let's get right into the video. I'll be going over 5 easy solutions and hopefully one of them works for you. Let's get into this. I'm going to go through these quickly. So jot down some notes and try them out on your camera, and hopefully one of them works for you. Hopefully it's one of the easier / cheaper options and you don't have to go and get it repaired or anything like that. Hopefully it's just a quick and simple solution. So number one, the easiest thing that you can try: turn it off and turn it back on a few times, okay? So as you can see right here, here's the on-off button. So turn it on, and if, let's say, the display's not working, off, on, off, on, off, on. I know it sounds silly doing it more than once, but in reality, sometimes maybe there's an issue with your lever over here. And by doing that, maybe it could be sticky. Maybe you spilled something on it. Maybe you're going to actually get it to turn on. It could be that your display isn't working, or maybe it is that it's not turning on at all. And you think it's just the display, but in reality, it's not turning on completely. So turn it off and on a few times. That's the first solution. Solution number 2 is to think about, is the battery charged? Okay. So essentially, your battery, you might think that it is charged, but in reality, it might not be charged. Maybe you had it plugged in and you think that it's charged, but maybe someone was using the camera and, removed the charge and made the battery not charged anymore. Maybe someone unplugged your charger and used the camera. You don't know that, right? So just honestly, take your battery, charge it for half an hour and try it again. Even if your battery is charged, but the battery charge is low, maybe the camera can power on, but the charge isn't sending enough battery power, enough juice to power on the display, the screen, the LCD screen, whatever screen it is over here. Okay? So just charge your battery for half an hour, put it back in, try it out. I know it sounds silly, but believe it or not, sometimes this works. Number 3, this is probably the most common thing that's going to be the issue, and that is to remove and reinstall the SD card. So if you take a look over here, where's the SD card slot? Over here. Okay, if I open this up over here, there's the SD card over here. You're going to remove the SD card, leave it out for about 20 seconds, put it back in. Oftentimes, believe it or not, it is an SD card that's causing the issue. It can be a corrupt SD card, which we'll go over momentarily, or it can just be that the SD card wasn't even inserted fully and properly, and that causes an issue with the LCD screen, with the display screen, whatever kind of screen it is. I'm not sure if it's LCD or not, but it causes an issue with the screen, okay? So remove the SD card, make sure it looks nice and clean, make sure everything looks good, there's no dirt and debris caught in there, and then insert the SD card again, reinstall the SD card. Number 4, push the live button. So maybe, now sometimes, I know it sounds crazy, but you might not know this, but you have the unit on, okay? If you don't use it for a while, the unit will still be on, the camera will still be on, but the screen is going to go into almost like a sleep mode. So I'm just going to extend the lens over here, and the screen will go into a sleep mode if it senses inactivity. So maybe you're thinking your screen's not working, you can't figure it out. There you go. You're like, whoa, my screen's not working. Why isn't it working? What's going on with it? When in reality, it's just because the screen itself went into sleep mode. And you can activate it through other buttons, but just push the live button, the LV button right here, and it's gonna go ahead and it's gonna change to your live image, and that's gonna prove to you that the screen does indeed work. There I am. Hello, look at this. Look at this. What is this? Inception over here, a screen on a screen. I should get another camera like this, my phone, and make it another screen. Anyways, push the live button. Maybe your screen is just asleep. Last but not least is number 5. And that's try using a different SD card. So sometimes your SD card is actually corrupt. There's a problem with it. So you can format the card, and that might help. And if that doesn't work, just try a different SD card. Literally, you don't have to take pictures with the new SD card, but if you have a spare one lying around, put it in there, see if the camera then turns on. And if the camera turns on, it's just a sign that you need to get a new SD card or format the old one that is corrupt or has an error. And hopefully that works for you. That's essentially it. If you have a Nikon D3300 DSLR, awesome camera. They're awesome cameras, but if the display is not working properly, I've gone over how to fix it easily with 5 simple steps. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. Whoa, I am tired. Sorry. I've been filming lots of videos really quickly. I've been talking so fast, and my mouth is it's just unbelievably dry. I left my water outside of the vehicle at this point at my other place that I was sitting previously. So I'm gonna go get my water, and I'm gonna film. I'm gonna bang out a few more. But honestly, that's it. You know, the display on this camera not working. I know I was finishing the video, but I'll tell you this: the display on this camera not working is a very rare occurrence. But when it does occur, it's good for you to know how to fix it, and hopefully one of these works for you. If not, there are other options, but you know, they involve like sending it in for repair and blah blah blah, which are more expensive and more tedious and more hands-on. These are just simple things that hopefully one of them works for you. And if you get lucky and they work for you, share a comment down below, because we'd love to know what works for everybody. And that is truly it. If you like this video tutorial/explanation, please be sure to give the video a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.